Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a nice easy recipe, pepperoni pizza. It's a hit in my house, Sunday loves it. So yeah, let's go over some of the ingredients that I use for this pizza. So everything is from Kroger. I got the pizza crust, pepperoni, I got some pickled jalapenos, black olives, some pineapple, cheese, and olive oil. You could put whatever you want on your pizza, but this is what I like on mine. So let's start. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and chop up these jalapenos. These are the only thing that I had in my refrigerator. I could have sworn I had some sliced ones, but I guess I didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice these up, and I'm gonna use this on top of our pizza. Here I'm just going to spray my pizza pan with some cooking spray, and yes, this pizza pan has been with me for years. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and spray that. Then I'm going to put the pie crust on that, the pizza pie crust, and I'm going to also oil the pie crust with olive oil. So now it's time to assemble the pizza. First, we're gonna go ahead and start off with a can of tomato sauce. I didn't get pizza sauce because it's the same thing and it's much more expensive. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and assemble the pizza with the tomato sauce, cheese, pepperoni, black olives, and pineapple. And yes, this part is self-explanatory. So just go ahead and continue to watch the video. Is right out of the oven. Look how beautiful that looks, and I bet you it's gonna taste so bomb. So yeah, everything was affordable. Everything was almost 99 cents except the pizza crust. So yeah, make this with the kids. The kids love to make pizza. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to cook next. Bye.